What is Go High Level? Are you a business owner and you're tired of managing multiple tools just to run your day to day activities? Imagine having an all in one platform to manage your customers, your CRM, your marketing, and so much more all in one place. My name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a digital marketing expert and I'm the owner of Digital Search Academy. Today, I want to introduce you to a tool which does all this for you. It's an all-in-one management software it's a complete game changer that can revolutionize how you manage your business. Go High Level, simply put, is an all-in-one CRM platform that manages your marketing automations. It's designed to streamline your business operations. So whether you're managing your customers, creating marketing campaigns, or automating workflows, Go High Level has it all. And the biggest problem it solves is not to have to worry about multiple tools. People are investing in different types of calendar systems, like ClickFunnels for managing their funnels, like, for example, Active Campaigns to manage their emails. They haven't got a way of automating their customer nurturing. So when leads come in, where do they go? What sort of CRM or pipelines have you got whereby when people make inquiries or make bookings, where does all this information go? Generally, people have got multiple systems, and with Go High Level, it's all in one. And what I'm going to do today, I'm going to talk you through 7 of the main features which I absolutely love about Go High Level. I'm only going to give you a bit of an overview about these features, but in future videos, I'm going to go into each feature in great detail so you can understand better about what Go High Level is and how it can revolutionize your business. So the first feature that Go High Level supports is something called pipelines or opportunities. And that is when a lead comes into your business, normally what happens is that the lead stays in your email inbox, or you've got a system somewhere which handles it. Now, what Go High Level does is that you can build your own pipelines. So for example, you can say, hey, when a lead comes in, it's going to go inside a pipeline called new lead. Once it's been contacted by somebody, it's going to go inside another pipeline called, hey, we've given this person a quote. When that person's decided to buy from you, you can move into a different pipeline. And you can have several of these pipelines set up and customized to suit your business. So what you can see here is our pipeline. Obviously, I'm going to hide away the data. So we've got a pipeline called new lead, send email and WhatsApp. So if a customer has requested an email and WhatsApp. If a customer has requested a quote, we can put it inside here. Once we've given the quote, it goes inside this stage here, quote given. If we're not able to reach the customer, it can go inside this stage called unable to reach after quote given. Now, there is a method to this madness, which I will come on to because it's called automation. So what you can do with each one of these pipelines, you can set up automation so that if they're in this pipeline, then a certain automation will trigger, and I will go through these with you. But this is totally customizable. You can customize it to suit your business. So in one quick view, you can see, hey, how many leads have we had? How many people have requested an email? How many quotes have we given? And so on. And they're all in one simple spot, and so on. Now, I'm now going to talk to you about automations. And that's the second most powerful feature of Go High Level. You can build as many automations as you want to. So for example, you can say, once a lead comes into our business, so somebody's gone onto your website, they filled in your inquiry form or your booking form, but what happens then? Normally, you're reliant on a person to call them and nurture them. But in Go High Level, the system will do all for you. So if you see this screenshot here, what it shows is that this is just one of the automations that we've set up. And what happens, I won't go over the technical parts, but the first thing it'll do is it'll send them a WhatsApp message. It'll send them an SMS message automatically. It'll send an internal notification to say, hey, you've had a new lead. And then it'll wait. And then it'll say that, hey, has the person booked an appointment with us on our calendar? And depending on whether they've booked an appointment or not, it'll trigger off certain automations. Like if they haven't, then it'll send them a different automation saying, hey, we just sent you a link to our calendar, and I noticed that you haven't booked a date and time to talk to us. Here's a link again because you may have forgotten or life gets busy and so on. So what you're doing is that the system is doing all the follow-up for you and it's doing all the nurturing for you. But not only that, what you can also do is start sending people nurturing emails. And what I mean by that is, if you look at this nurturing automations, you can see in week 1, they will receive an email. And this is the email that they will receive. You can click on it and it'll show you exactly which email they're going to receive. And it'll wait a day. It'll wait 1 day and it'll send them a second email. It'll wait 2 days and it'll send them another email and so on. And then it'll wait till Monday. But this automation, you can carry on. You can send emails, SMS messages, WhatsApp messages, voice messages, calendar booking links, and so much more to your potential customers who have made an inquiry, but you haven't really been in touch with them yet. Or even if you have been in touch with them, you can set up automated emails so that they're constantly remembering you. They're not forgetting about you. They're constantly remembering you so that by the time you've contacted them, they've had some emails from you, they've connected with your social media, and they see you as a bit of an authoritative company because you're giving them value-added advice on a constant basis and not just bombarding them with sales emails. So that's the second most important feature about Go High Level. You can set up as many automations as you want to. So just think that, what are your staff doing when a lead comes in? What are they currently doing at the moment, or what should they be doing? And you'll see that there's a very big difference what they're currently doing and what they should be doing, even as a business owner. Now, what you're doing by using a system like Go High Level is you're automating most of that for you because the system is doing all the work for you, even if you don't manage to reach the customers on time yourself. And even once you have reached them, the system will still carry on nurturing your customers, upgrading, downgrading, cross-selling, and so much more, all automatically. So that's the great second feature about Go High Level, is the automation feature. Then the third feature about Go High Level, which I absolutely love, is the marketing. And not just any old marketing, it's automated marketing. So a lot of companies use another piece of software which they've got to sign up to conduct all their marketing. For example, you might want to schedule social media posts on a weekly basis, or you might want to update your LinkedIn every week or twice a week or 3 times a week. And remember, this is great for agencies, because for agencies, this is going to be a great tool to help you manage your customers. So if you are an agency owner, this sort of tool is absolutely beautiful for you. So let me give you a demonstration of the marketing. I'm just going to give you one way of marketing. So in the marketing channel, if you want to create a new post, you click on new post and you say, okay, you can either upload from CSV and you can create AI powered content. But in this case, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to click on create new post. And then it'll say, what do you want to post? Is it a post? Is it a story? Is it a reel? I'm going to select my social media account here. And then once I've selected it, I can either type something in or upload an image, or look at this, I can use AI to produce my content for me. How brilliant is that? So I can say generate with AI. And over here, I'm going to type something in quick for now. For example, want more bookings. Create a post for a business who is looking to generate more business. And then I tell it to give it some keywords, like for example, more bookings. As an example, you can add as many as you want to. You can then select the writing style, the tone. So you can say, I want a funny, or I want a professional, or witty, or sarcastic. So I'm going to choose professional for now. How many variations do I want? I want, let's say, 2 variations, and I want the content to be medium-sized content. I'll click on generate. And look at that. Within seconds, it's came up with, look at this post here, content variation 1. And it's a beautifully written post. Is your business ready for more bookings? Attention, entrepreneurs and service providers. Are you on the lookout to elevate your business game? And so on. It's got all the emojis in it. It's got even put the hashtags in it. And it's giving me a second variation because I told it to give me 2 variations. So if I like the second one, I can simply click on copy. and then I can amend it if I want to amend it and personalize it, which I always recommend people to do. Click on continue. And now what I can do is, first of all, I can have a call to action. So I can say, okay, I want to learn more, and I can put a URL in there, like https://xyz.com. And then I can schedule the post. Look at the power of this. I can click on here and I can say, schedule the post. What date do you want to schedule it for? And I can say, oh, and this is supposed to be scheduled for the 9th at a certain time. And I click on schedule. And that is it. So just imagine, you can create a month's worth, 2 months worth, 3 months worth, 4 months worth of content, which is automatically going to go out every single day or every other day for your own business or for your agency customers, all automatically. And all you've done is spent 1 day or half a day or a few hours getting it all into the system, checking the quality of it, rewriting it, and so on. So that is just one great feature about Go High Level, which is the marketing automation combined with AI. So you're using AI to conduct your marketing automation. The fourth great feature about Go High Level is that all your conversations, doesn't matter how you've had them, whether you've had conversations from SMS messages, emails, Facebook, or people have messaged you from your Google Maps, they all feed into this one system. So you can click on a customer and see all the communications that I've had with them, and so on. So for example, I can choose a customer, I've chosen one here, and you can look, you can see even the automatic messages that have automatically been sent to them, all the SMS messages that have been sent to them. You can see all the WhatsApp messages that have been sent to them. You can see absolutely everything. So when your customer's speaking to you, you can say, hey, I know that this is what's been recently happening, or you can get a bit of a background as to what the conversations were with your customer, and then you can type notes for each customer. You can, for example, like this customer over here, I can click on open a new tab, and then I can assign a note to this customer. I can say tasks and notes. So I can type in here, click on add, and I can assign a note. So next time you're going to contact that customer, you've got a note assigned to that customer. Not only that, you can schedule your next call date. So you can say, hey, I want to call this customer next week at this time. And when you log into your dashboard, you're able to see all the customers that you need to call on a certain date. And you can even associate reminders with them. So if you set a task to say call that person next week, you can automatically send them reminders and you reminders that, hey, we're about to call you on this particular date. So isn't that an absolute amazing feature, having conversations stored in Go High Level? This one's going to blow your mind. It's got its own built-in website development platform. So you can develop websites, not just websites, but you can even develop funnels. A lot of people use other tools such as ClickFunnels or lead magnets or lead pages. So there's a lot of other tools that people are using, but you don't need to anymore because this has got it all built in. So check this out. So you can click on new funnel, for example. You can create funnels, websites, you can get a lot of analytics, you can create blogs and so much more. You can create surveys and so on. So I'm going to click on new funnel. And you can either choose from blank or you can choose from a template. You can choose a template from here, and then you can build your funnel, whether it's a 2-step funnel, 3-step funnel, or a 2-page website or a 10-page website. It's all in here and it's all integrated within one single platform. And everything that you do all communicates with each other. So you don't need to worry how this tool that you've bought is going to communicate with this tool, because it's all built in. And that's the beauty about Go High Level. Everything is just done for you. It's all easy to manage in one single platform. Just imagine what that's going to do to help your business climb the ladder, so you don't have to keep worrying about different types of software, working out what's working, what's not working, working out costs of different types of subscriptions, integrating all the softwares into one another, because with Go High Level, it's all there, it's all integrated. You've got no worry. Guys, I keep saying this feature is absolutely amazing. It's got its own built-in calendar system. You can create as many booking calendars as you want to. If you've got 3 different businesses or 3 different types of services and each one of them has a different calendar, I know a lot of people are using third-party calendar systems. You don't need to anymore, because this Go High Level has got the calendar system built into it. And again, like I spoke earlier on, you can build automations around it. So you can say that if somebody's booked an appointment, trigger off this automation, start sending them WhatsApp messages, reminder messages, and so on. So this is a screen whereby you can see all the calendars. You can simply create a brand new calendar by clicking on create calendar, choose the type of calendar that you want. You can assign calendars to certain users. So you can say this calendar is for this user, and that one's for this user or this type of service. So you got multiple calendars, and all built in within the system, which you can then add your own automations or workflows into it. And it's all integrated, it's all in one. You don't need to have a third-party system. You can even take the calendars and embed the calendars within your own website or your booking systems as well. Isn't that absolutely brilliant? The last thing I'm going to show you for today is this email facilities. Now, I've shown you how you can embed emails into automations, but you can just send an email broadcast. You can build email campaigns within Go High Level. So you don't need a third-party emailing software because it all talks to one another. And you can say, hey, I want emails to go out to these people or this list and so on. So you don't, again, need a third-party system. And it's so easy. You simply go inside the email builder, you click on create campaign, and then you choose, if you want to start from a blank campaign, you can say here, you can use the inbuilt design editor. So you can literally drag and drop wherever you want to, images, text, videos, paragraphs, headlines. It's got everything all in one. So guys, this is an overview of Go High Level, and the cost is absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing. It costs starting from just $97 a month. Now, if you add up the systems that you've got, they're probably going to cost more than $97 a month. Whereas over here, it's all built in. You get so much for just $97 a month. Now, I will be releasing more videos. I'm going to be going into a lot more detail about Go High Level, its capabilities, and I'm going to be talking about how the individual features work. So I'll be deep diving into individual features, how you can set up automations, how you can set up emails, how you can create websites, how you can create chatbots and so on. Oh, that's another one. Let me just tell you this. I wasn't going to tell you this in this video, but let me just explain this one to you. It's got its own inbuilt AI-powered chatbot. How beautiful is that? So you can create a chatbot and you can put it onto your website. So now when customers are talking through the chatbot, instead of you answering the calls, you have now trained the AI to talk on your behalf. And you can tell the AI, hey, I want your objective to be to get the person to book a calendar appointment with us, or I want your objective to be to sell this particular product, or take them to this website, or make a booking with us. And you can train the robot, and then you can keep training it and make it better and better. We use it within our agency. So most of the time when people are chatting through the chatbot on some of our websites, they don't even know that they're not talking to a human, they're talking to a robot. So it's not a bad thing, right? Because your AI is doing all the work for you. So it's working for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. I hope you found this useful. If you want to learn more about Go High Level, there'll be a link somewhere around this video. Click on it, and what you can do, you can sign up to a free 14-day trial. It's 14 days. Use it. If you like it, you can carry on. If you don't want to, you don't have to. There's an affiliate link below this video. Click on it, and you've got nothing to lose, everything to gain. And at the same time, if you'd like us to jump onto a call with you to demonstrate how this can work for your business, again, fill in the details below, and a member of our team will be happy to jump onto a call with you and show you how Go High Level can work for your business and get you to understand your business a bit more, and even help you set it up to a certain extent. I hope you found this useful. Do hit the link below, and I'll see you on another show. Goodbye for now.